Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix black screen during the workouts on ladder. So if you are getting a black screen during the workouts in this app, it's usually caused by display settings, app glitches, or connection issues. So actually guys, first you all need to check the auto lock and screen timeout. So your screen may be turning off. So you all need to go with your device settings right here, or your iPhone settings, and then you will need to scroll a little bit until you can see the display and brightness option. Okay, so once you tap it, you will need to scroll to the auto lock option right here. Okay, and just tap it and set it to a longer time. Okay, so for example, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, or never. So never during workouts is the best. So this is the most common reason for a black screen. As the second issue, or a second option, or a second fix, we have tap the screen to wake it. Okay, so just tap or press the power button briefly, and if the workout resumes, it was just the screen slipping, not bug. And also guys, if that's not the case, I do really advise you to force close or open the app. So just go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your phone, and then just swipe up the app to close it completely from the recent apps, and then just reopen and restart the workout and check if the issue is still going on. If yes, you will need to check your internet connection then. So just go ahead and swipe up from the top, or swipe down from the top right corner of your phone. Go ahead and tap and hold right here. Okay, and now just go with your switchings. Okay, so you all need to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data right here, and avoid weak connections, because the poor connection can cause the screen and player to fail loading. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.